In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your domain. The registrar that I use is called Namecheap.com. Most of you guys are probably familiar with GoDaddy. I don't use GoDaddy. I stopped using them a long time ago because they have like a ton of upsells, and they have a bad habit of clicking stuff on your shopping cart that you don't need. And if you don't pay attention, you end up paying for stuff you didn't even know you had, or stuff that you don't even need. So I use these guys because they're straightforward. It's 24/7 chat or support. So if you ever have a problem, just click the chat on the bottom and you can always reach them. And it's pretty simple. You buy your domain. You don't have to go through a gauntlet of upsells and none of that stuff. It is easy to set your DNS. Now, all websites need domains. I'm sure everybody knows what a domain is. A domain is a .com. So what you want to do is use your business name.com. In this video, I'm going to just make up one. It's going to be box truck something, and then from there I'm going to use that domain to set up the site, so that way you guys can always go back and look at my site so you can see what you need to change. So the first part of building your website for your box truck business is to get a domain. So with this one, I'm going to go with box truck website and see if that's available. The .com, always get the .com, don't get nothing else. If they don't have your name for the .com, be a little creative, maybe, use something, abbreviations or something, or, to get something that's similar to your company name, but don't use nothing else but the .com. So this one is going to be boxtruckwebsite.com. So I'm going to see if it's available. And if it's available, I'm going to buy this domain, and this is what I'm going to use to build the website. And then you guys can always go back to it later and just copy what I have on there so you can make your website. All right, so this one's available. It says 916 here. I don't know why it's slow. When I run this video recorder. So it's $9. It's $9.98 for the first year, and then it's $13.98 every other year to renew it. You have to renew this. So when you get close to 12 months, they're going to send you emails that you have to renew this. So always renew it. It's cheap. It's only like 14 bucks a year. And I'm going to give you a coupon to get your first year for 98 cents. So it'll be even cheaper. So we're going to put this in the cart. Well, I already have it in the cart. So we're going to go to the shopping cart. As you can see, we're here in the shopping cart. The coupon I'm going to give you, this is for first timers. So if you have, this is your first time signing up, make sure you use this coupon code. It's going to give you 98 cents for the first year. And I won't be able to use it because I've been with these people for like 15 years. The code is going to be 98.com. And you're just going to put it here in the promo code and hit apply. This is for first timers, like I said. So you either have to log in or create a free account. Like I said, I've been doing this for 15, 16 years. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to pay the full price. But, if you're starting new, just click create account. Let me open this for you. And, just go from there. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just put your username here, your password, first name, last name. Use the email that you use, because like I said, these every year you have to renew these. And you don't want it to expire, because then somebody else, it's free. Anybody else can register your domain. And a lot of people are dirty. They're called, they got some people that'll register your domain and try to sell it to you for thousands, because they know you need it. So make sure you don't forget to register this. So once you signed up for your account, you're going to log in. I'm going to log in now. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to log in, and then I'm going to continue with the purchase so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm logged into my account. I'm going to remember the code. I'll put it underneath this video. It's 98.com. Hit apply, and it's going to give you this for 98 cents. But since I've already, I already have an account, this is only for new users. I'm going to give you another account in case you already have an account with these people. And it's called Coupon FCNC. And then hit apply, and it'll give you like $1 off or something. Well, it went down to $7.36. So the domain is going to be boxtruckwebsite.com. make sure you put your company name and make sure it's a .com. Domain privacy. So this is important. Many of you know, if you know when you go for your authority, as soon as you go for your authority, you get like hundreds and hundreds of calls. This is the same way when you when you register a domain, your email is it's public information. Okay, so what you do is you can order domain privacy, and this is why I use this one too, because you get it for free. What it does, it makes your domain, your address and your company number and email, private. So you have to do this, because if not, you'll get spammed. It's free with these people. That's another reason I use them. So make sure this is clicked, enabled. We're going to click confirm order. All right, so there's a couple ways to pay for this. I'm going to use PayPal. You can use your credit card. Just hit select other payments and put your credit card if you want to do that. I use PayPal. I've been using PayPal for almost 20 years now. So I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to log into my PayPal, and I'm going to pay the $736 for this domain and register that. So let me see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to pause this video and log into my PayPal, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so my order is processing. I've already paid for it, or it's paying for it now, and it's sent for processing. And once this processes, you're pretty much done with your domain registration. So it's going to be in your account. Make sure you save your logins and all that, so that way you can access it. So later, we're going to get the domain. We're going to change the DNS so it can point to your web hosting. Okay, so this is just the first video. I want to keep it small and little, like tidbits, because people learn more if you give them, like little pieces. I don't want to throw everything all at once. That's why I'm doing it this way. And, so it's easier, and you can always come back to it. Right here, we're going to click manage. As you can see, I registered it. It only cost me $7.18 for the first year. And if you did the 99 cents, if this is your first time and you did 99 cents, it's going to cost like 98 cents. So I'm going to stop this video here, and we're going to come back to this later. Usually I would just go to manage to set up the DNS, but this is just to register the domain. So now your domain, you are the owner of that domain. Don't forget to renew it every year, because somebody else will. If you don't, it becomes public information. So I'm going to stop this video, and then the next video is going to be how to set up the hosting, where we can do your, so we can create your box truck website.